All right. Here we go, y'all. So good afternoon, everyone that's in the building. All right, I'm going to mute everyone out. I do not wish to be interrupted while I am doing this. So I want to run through this. Tonight I'm going to break down everything, every little detail about all the tools that's on the SBA. Some of you are seeing the SBA for the first time. This is a big creation of mine. I created 2 years ago. All right, and it came a long way, y'all. People been asking for this for a while, and even y'all heard some of the people that's been with me for a while ask for it as well. So therefore, I decided to bring it back. Now, the system was coded by me. For people that don't know, if you new to the mob, welcome. People that just joined me as well, welcome. Just a little bit about myself, y'all. I know y'all just met me in teaching binary options. My true strength, superpower comes from Forex, though. All right, hands down. All right, I'm pretty good in options. Pretty good in options, as y'all see when we trade and stuff. But hands down, Forex started. I'm what they call an expert trader. I'm a licensed trader as well, which means I am completely able to open my own broker and also, got the qualifications to be able to provide advice, financial advice to others. Okay, so that's something. That's a disclaimer I don't have to do and say I'm not a financial advisor because I am, but I still say it not because I don't want people to just hit me up, ask me stuff all the time. All right, there you go. Boom. But I have trained a lot of people across the world how to trade, helped a lot of people retire, helped create millionaires in this industry. And it's from me creating my own systems, my own trading strategies and stuff like that. So what I especially on is making this easier for anyone to understand. And that be the main problem when it comes to Forex, y'all. It looks so difficult because of how, well, maybe some people teach it difficult, but a lot of people don't understand it when the main thing you have to learn is a strategy and stick with it. So me knowing that concept, y'all, I created this system, which is called the Millionaire SBA 5.0. Now the SBA is short for star bar arrow. We're gonna break down a couple of them things so you can know what everything is in here and how everything works. All right. Now, the people that's gonna be coming in late, they're gonna come in late. This has been recorded. This will be in the back office in the system. All right. I know a lot of my recordings lately, I have not put it in a team training section, but this will be in there. All right. So let me start off some key things, right? Let's start with the SBA setup. I want you guys to understand this. As I told y'all last week, I was going to break this down so you will understand what everything means on here. So the SBA setup is basically, it's going to look like this right here. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. All right. So the star is these black stars right here, right? So like this right here, this is the star. And then you have another one down here that's gold. This is a star. All right. Now, what these stars represent is it tells you where the low is at. Okay. So when the market is reversing and it's creating a high, creating a low, this is what follow the price. Okay. So this will appear and the market can continue moving up or down, but it's letting you know what the high and low at. It will change over to the next candle when that one has passed the last high. So these are key things to look at to know what can potentially happen when these stars happen. This market can reverse and turn around, go the opposite direction, or it could be moving up with the market as the market continues to make higher highs and higher lows. So this is the star. Doesn't mean that you're supposed to buy or sell at that quite yet. Now, in binary options, this can be key to a lot of you making decisions on to sell or buy. So this is something that is definitely used in binary options big time when it comes to using a star. All right, next we have the bar. Now the bars are something I made from zigzags. Of course, people got a hold of it and renamed it and stuff like that or whatever. But it is the it's called a mob boss clip. And with the bars, right, you will see a green bar, I mean a white bar as well with a green tip, like this one right here. And I'll zoom in some so y'all can see if you on your phone. So this is what you see the green tip on here, and you see the white what's coming. So it's like a cigarette with a green tip instead of a red one. All right. So think of it like that. Okay. So we have these bars right here. Now the one with the green tip and the white bar, it lets you know when the market is about to buy. This is a strong indications. It's made by fractals and also zigzags. So those are two of my favorite those are two of my favorite indicators. Somebody in the waiting room. And I decided to make it one tool to be able to tell me when the high and the low is going to be here. Okay, so hold on, let this person in. All right, the high and low is going to be here. It's really key. So the red one with the gold tip, I mean the red with the gold bar right here, it represents a sell. Now, like I said, I made it for fractals. Fractals are used to make highs and lows as well. So when you see this right here, these are strong suggesting that the market is about to sell. And you should be looking forward to really looking for a good push from this particular bar. The green bar letting you know the market is really finna buy, so you should be looking for a good push from the buys. Okay, as you see how the market reacts when one of these pop up. Now on a candle, any given candle, you can see it constantly like blank in. You will see like if the market's going up, you will see a blank like green sometimes on that particular candle, and that means that a bar is about to be printed out. Or you see the red start flashing with a little bit of the yellow behind it, let you know that the market is about to sell. Okay, so that is the idea of the bar. All right, now let's do let me stop videos, everybody. All right, now the arrow. Oh yeah, hold on. Before I go to the arrow, this also a part of the bar as well. Y'all see like these little scissors right here? The scissors. All right, so the scissors is something made to let you know that the market is about to pull back, because I'm big on pullback. So another one of my specialties is Fibonacci. I'll be teaching y'all that later on. Okay, I'm not gonna teach you that now. It's pretty difficult for a lot of newbies. All right, once I get you guys up to speed and start making money with this tool right here, then I'll hit y'all with Fibonacci and show y'all my Fibonacci greatness that I created and pretty much known for too. All right, so and it's sick, y'all. Y'all can ask people that been it's sick. I'm sick with it. And this was like a little joke, because when I created it, it's around by the time this song came out. It says, "Oh, price is way too high. You need to cut it." So that was a little joke I put in there, but it actually made sense when when I put that in there. Okay, so it's like some scissors I found in the coding, and I liked it. So it was just a little joke, like you need to cut it. So that means this market is going down way too fast. You need to cut it, which means you need to go ahead and let it go, let that sell go, because the market is going to pull back. And like I said, it was a joke when I made the scissors, but people actually liked it. All right. So when I create stuff like this, y'all, I have fun with it. I really put my heart into it, y'all. I'm a fun person. I'm very serious, but I love to have fun too, which is weird, right? So that's what these scissors mean when you see them pop up, y'all. It means like the market is finna pull back. So as you seen, the market was going up. Some scissors came, then the market decided to push down. And then once our bar came, it decided to go back up. All right, right here, the market started going down. The scissors came, the market pushed up. And then a bar came, it decided to go back down. All right, so that is a part of the bar as well. Let you know that this push right here from the bar is it's about to reverse for a second, and then it's going to push back. So right here, market pushed up heavy from that bar. You see some sizzles right here. It decided to push down. Another bar came, and then it started to push back up. So that's a Fibonacci sequel. That's why this is necessary. And y'all, it's gonna be crazy when I hit y'all with other strategies inside of here with the Fibonacci and with the bars. I can't wait to hit y'all with that. That's gonna be sweet, and y'all gonna love that. But like I said, the main thing is y'all to get y'all on point now, because y'all are gonna actually be my first students. So now I'm gonna really get into teaching y'all everything that you need to know about trading and making money. Learning is a big difference. Learning, you can go to an academy, you can go through videos, you can go through somebody's class or something like that. That's you learning how to trade. That a learning process is go on and on and on and on. But what people don't tell you is the key thing of learning how to make money in trading Forex is to be able to learn a strategy. Now, not saying the strategy is going to work 100% of the time, but if you can completely understand what everything is on to this strategy and how everything works together and follow those key points, you can be a beast at trading. I have created monsters at trading, y'all. Monsters. Some of them can trade better than me now. That was the goal. And now I want to get you guys to that point. So from now on, you're going to be learning everything from me. Not saying we're not going to use things in the back office of trade knowledge. Yes, we are. We're definitely going to push people to use that, use the university and things. But I want to get you people paid, and I want you people to build. Those are my true intentions. I want you to get paid and understand that building is necessary as well. But I understand you want to start making money first. So this right here tool will have you making money faster than anything you can possibly use. Okay, I'm not saying it just because I created it. I'm saying it because I have seen it. I have seen people change everything just when I brought this out. The first week I brought this out, people that were struggling for 2 years, they started killing it. And that was the 1.0. This is the 6.0, y'all. No, this is the 5.0 I'm showing y'all demonstration on. All right. So that is the scissors and also the bars combination into it. I hope y'all understand that. We will, this is recorded, so you understand it. Now let's go into the arrows. All right. Now with the arrows, y'all, it's self-explanatory. When the arrows come, the market will head in that direction. Not necessarily mean that it will head in that direction right away, but it will start going in that direction. So the key thing in trading, y'all, you want to be in the right direction that the institutional banks are going. So what I did was I got a couple of tools, put them together to create the perfect strategy to be able to show you guys when to get into a trade going in the right direction, which is hard to figure out when it comes down to trading. This way, you're not getting faked out like the rest of the retail traders. You have an edge on the market and know how to execute when a market meets condition that it needs to be. Okay, so that was the key thing of putting this combination together. Now with the arrows, y'all, if y'all notice, there are different color arrows in here, right? So just take, for example, this little section right here. Let's talk about this little section right here. We have how I'm gonna do this. All right, I'm just gonna talk about these 4 right here. Oh, let me get that again. I need that picture. That was a nice one. That was a nice little picture right there. All right, let's talk about these 4. Okay, so y'all, with these 4 right here, right? We have a pink arrow, a green arrow, a red arrow, and a blue arrow. Now, let me explain these arrows to y'all so you get a definitely like understanding on how these work, because I know it can be confusing when you're just not seeing these. And these arrows going to be key to a lot of your success if you understand what they mean when they pop up. All right. All of them don't mean that jump into a trade and stuff. It's a certain way you have to take the trade whenever you see the arrows. All right. Now, let me find right here. This is where I was at. Okay. So zoom in again. Oh, where it go? All right. Now I'm gonna start with the let's start with the red arrow. And then we're gonna get into the blue one. Now, the reason I'm gonna start with the red arrow because these two have a little combination they have. All right, these two come with a combination, they come together. So this arrow right here, the red arrow, is going to be called our Sba setup. Now, with the Sba setup, y'all, this is the main trend. So whenever you see a red arrow, this is the true trend and the true direction that the market will be going. All right. And the object of this is to flow with the red arrow to the green arrow. So whenever you see a green arrow, that is the true direction of the trend and of the market. Okay. So whenever you see those, know that it is real. It's really about to go that way and it's about to turn around. And you need to be looking at taking the trade in that direction. It can be short, it can be long, it can be a few minutes, it can be a few hours, it can be a few days. Okay. Just know that it's real when it pop up. All right. Do not think that it's not. And you try to get greedy and get some more pips. When you see that, take your money off the table. It's done. Okay. So that is something to really, really, truly remember. But the red arrow represents the true identity of the sell. You will also be seeing alerts pop up as well, like such as, let me get it over here. Okay, such as like this right here. So alerts like B buy signal, you see A buy signal. Now the red arrow is considered a sell signal. That is the grade A trade, which means that's the main trend. Okay. And the green arrow is also an A buy signal. The A buy signal, which means grade A. All right. Which is the true identity of the trend. That's the main one that you need to look forward to. All right. So the green one lets you know that an uptrend is coming. This is going to be a strong uptrend, and the trend is turning around if it's in a sell. If it's in a sell, you basically want to go from red to green arrow. All right. So that is the combination between them. Now, in between the red and green, you will see different color, other different color arrows. All right. Now you have a pink one, right? The pink one is it's basically like a pullback for the green. So if you in a buying market, let me see if I can find the right combination for it. Hold on. Okay, let's see. That's too long. Let me see. Cause this one like kind of like, okay, there you go. That's the right combination right there. That's the right one. All right, so in this cell right here, right? We have a blue and a pink one in the middle before we get to the green, right? So understand this. If you're in a selling market, the blue is going to let you know the market is pulling back, much like the scissors is letting you know with the bar. So a pullback means that I'm in a downtrend, right? If I'm in a downtrend, the market is going down, and I know it's a downtrend, and then all of a sudden the market starts going up some, that is a pullback. Okay, so think of it as a Nike check or a check. All right, market going down, then pull back, but it's not that long right there. It's not that long, you know. So in that same trend, it's just like the market going down, and then the market decides to push up for a second, because we all know price go up and down. It don't just go down. It don't just go up or sideways. It go up and down. Okay, so with you knowing that if the market is selling and you have a red arrow, right? You have the market selling, a blue arrow appear. That don't mean get out the trade. That don't mean get scared and start buying. No, that means that the market is going to make a big push to the upside real quick, retesting some of these highs and lows in between this strong sell. All right. So that just let you know that's all it is. And then to let you know, to get back into the sell, you have the pink. So the pink and red run the same direction. The blue will let you know that, hey, Market is pulling back, and the pink will let you know, okay, market is continuing its sell, its strong sell from before. Do everybody get that one? If you're in a sell, the blue will pop up first. It represents a pullback. The pink will pop up third to let you know to get back into the sell, or market is in continuation or going to its original sell. All right. Any questions right now on that if you're a little confused? This is my first group, y'all. Y'all mean the most, because they're about to be, oh my God. After the first, y'all, I got everybody coming in at the first. I need you all to understand this, because I'm gonna need your help to help everyone understand. It starts with you guys. So if you're confused, let me know. And I need everybody. It's 21 people on here. I need to know from all of y'all. I'm trying to get you paid. So I need to hear from all of you. There's no, we ain't talking about the candles yet. We're talking about the arrows.
Emily's got her hand up.
Everybody else got it except Ebony. All right, Ebony, what you got? Bring up, Edgar. Now remember, y'all be breaking it down.
I'm sorry. Can you just say it one more time? Can you just repeat it one more time? I'm sorry that.
All right.
I didn't catch it. I'm sorry.
All right. Do you have a pen and pad?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So Ebony, the sell, the red one is the strong sell. That's the true identity. So right in red arrow, grade A sell, strong sell. Write that on there. Red arrow, grade A, strong sell, which means the true identity of the trend. So red arrow, grade A, strong sell.
Okay,
all right?
Thank you.
And then in that sequel, when it's a sell, when it's a selling market, you're going to see a blue arrow pop up. The blue arrow, write that down. It's a grade B buy, which means that comes in when it's a strong sell, which means it's a pullback. You got it?
Okay. Blue arrow. What is that again?
Blue arrow means it's a pullback, short buy. Grade B buy. Grade B always means it's going to be short.
I apologize, everybody.
No, you good. I got you. I need you to understand it. I need everybody to understand it. Do not be afraid. I'm going to get you to that point. All right, you got that one?
So blue arrow means pullback. So that means stop, is what you're saying?
No. It just means the market is finna pull back for a second. Market finna buy up for a second. Don't mean that it's going to stop.
Okay. All right. Sorry.
All right. Just that in Forex term, it's a correction. That's what it is, basically, correction. So a pullback, y'all, is going back to retest on levels to make sure that level is strong enough to hold. So it's so let's talk Forex right now. There's contracts in each level. Every time you see a wick in a candle, it's a contract that started that whole wick. Okay. In certain areas, you will see a lot of wicks up in there because there are contracts being put in for the institutional. We trade market execution. They trade through more contract based, which means there's something like sell limit and buy limits. All right. So okay, write this down now, Ebony. Pink arrow. Pink arrow means the market is going to push down, short sell, or also pullback. Pink arrow, short sell, pullback. And this is a grade B as well. So y'all remember the blue and the pink is grade B sells, which means short term, just to go retest areas, pullbacks. And then you get to the green. The green is the strength, the true identity of the trend, which is a grade A signal, a grade A arrow, which means it's about to be a strong buy. All right. You got it, Evan?
Yes.
All right, bet. Got you. I told y'all I'm gonna get you. Told y'all I'm gonna get you right. We all right, man. I want to get everybody right on here, y'all. I need y'all to eat. All right. Let's see. Okay, everybody else good. Okay, so we got a clear understanding on that, y'all. Let's continue to push, continue to move forward. Now remember, the green, it's also a grade A, it's a strong buy. Now in this sequel right here, in the green, you're going to see the pink arrow pop up first. Let's go to another chart. Let me see if I got one that really popped up. That gave me some good little sequel. All right. So here go one right here. Just show y'all how this get, y'all. This get like this. So you see the red up here, right? The red arrow right here. The market start pushing down. And then next you're going to see the blue arrow pushes the market up. And when it was time to go back down, the pink arrow appeared. So remember this, these two right here, y'all, is going to be connected. These two, the pink and the red, is going to be connected in that sequel. The blue and the green is going to be connected in the buying sequel. Okay, so that's something that that I think is going to be valuable information for y'all and something to remember. All right. So in this down sequel, this is how you're going to see it. It's going to be blue first, then pink to continue, and then you go all the way to the green. When you see the green, you get out the trade. When you see the blue happen, tighten up your stop loss, which means if you enter the trade right here, right? And then let's say right here is your stop loss. Okay. I'm gonna change that to I'm gonna change to red because stop loss will be red. Whoa. All right, you're red. So I'm gonna be in this sale right here until I see this blue right here. But that don't mean I'm getting out. That means when I see the blue, I say, uh-oh, a pullback happening. So what I'm gonna do is all this money I have made right here, I'm going to protect it. So my stop loss now become a stop profit by me moving in front of it. Can please, if everybody, please. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to move my stop loss from back here to in front of my position, which now becomes a stop profit. In the back, this is representing that how much I'm going to risk on a trade. If the market goes against me and go back in and hit this, that means that I'm only risking so much on this trade and it takes me out the trade right here. So I don't risk my whole account. Now that's a stop loss. To create a stop profit is to move your stop loss in front of your position. That way, regardless, if the market come back, you leave with something. It might not be as much as you wanted, but you leave with something and you maintain growth of your account. Okay? Stop loss behind it, protect your sell. Stop profit is in front of your position to protect your capital. All right. Now, that's what I'm gonna do when I see the blue happen. And then when the pink come, I can kind of relax some and kind of trail the market on down and continue to move my stop profit down more with the market. So just in case the market started to bounce back, I still leave with this profit right here. Okay. Now don't worry, I'll be telling y'all key things on how to know how far to travel, how far to trail the market and stuff like that with your profit. So don't worry, I got y'all on that. Let's break this thing down to a T that you understand. All right. And then don't forget in the buying sequel, you're gonna see mostly it's not in this one, but let's see what see if I can find one somewhere. See what I got. Yeah, I don't see too many right now because the market has been trending all last week. Look at that. The market been trending like talking about it. I see the sequel right here, y'all, but I don't see it on the buys though. So that's why I'm trying to find one. I got the buying. Okay, here we go. Here go one. Here go one. So here go the buy sequel. You have a green first, and then the pink gonna come. Let you know the market's gonna push down for a second. And then when the blue happened, that means the market has continued going up. That's continuation. The market will continue to push up. And then you take that trade, stay in the trade all the way till you see the red. That is the sequel of the buy. Green, pink, blue, red. Now with the red, it's red, blue, pink, green. If y'all can remember that combo right there, y'all can remember that order, you could be an unstoppable person with the system. That is key. That's a hard thing. A lot of people that I talked before couldn't get. So if you get that early, y'all be on point. You'll be on point. All right. So those are the arrows, y'all. And we're going to continue to go on this. I'm going to continue to put this in y'all head so you guys can understand. You're not going to understand it the first time you hear it. But if I continue to put pressure on it, continue to push this into your brain, it's going to be on second nature. All right. Now, next, we have the candles. Notice the candles are colorful. They change color. This is not Hikinoshi candle. However, that is the motivation I had creating this. Okay. Now, these candles are basically momentum candles, and it goes off of volume. So I found a way to code volume into candles. All right. Don't ask me how I do it. I don't know how I'm a smart guy. Maybe this way. I don't know. All right. But look, I was able to put the colors of a buy momentum into the candle to let me know when the momentum is pushing towards the buy side. Now the gold represents the buy. Okay, so whenever you see a gold candle, that means that it's a lot of momentum in there. It's a strip is buying up. The white candles let me know when the market is going to pull back or going to reverse. So when you see that, y'all know a pullback is coming or the market is going to reverse, the white candles. And the black candles are my selling candles. They let me know the market is pushing down. Okay, so this is strength up in these candles. Gold mean buy, white mean neutral, red means sell. Gold mean buy, white mean neutral, red means sell. Black means sell, sorry. All right, and you can constantly see this happens a lot when you have an Sba setup. Okay, so right here, right, the market was going down, the big push came, the black, it turned black. You would have been in a sell, you in a sell, you in a sell until you see the white candle, and then we had a star bar arrow combination. This is white. You probably would have got in about right here when the markets when the gold candle hit, got in, it pushed back a little bit, and the market pushed on up, and then continued to push on up. Okay, and that's sequel. Now, what's going to be powerful? I'm going to show y'all this little cheat code real quick. What's going to be powerful is trading this with binary options. Now, trading with binary options and looking at the candles, you see the color of the candles? As soon as they turn gold, they're ready to go. As soon as they turn black, they're ready to sell. All right. When they turn white, letting you know the market's pulling back. But when they turn back to that color, it's game time. You're ready to sell or you're ready to buy. See, it's secrets up in here that it don't matter. Somebody stole it, somebody got it, so I sell it or not. They can't break it down this way because they don't understand my mind. So I'm telling you guys, nobody had the candles. Don't worry about that. You won't see this nowhere. All right, so you won't see that at all, and the way the colors of the arrows are. Well, but you guys are exclusive to that. That's why I'm bringing this back out. It's ready to go. But these candles can be powerful when it comes to trading options as well. Okay, so I think it ain't too much I need to say on the candles. If you guys can understand that, gold is buy. White is neutral. The market's pulling back, or the market's going to reverse, and black is sell. Okay, so selling power in that. All right, now let's get into something else on the chart you know about. Boom, at the SBA. Now in the SBA up here in this sequel up here, y'all, we ain't gonna talk about this yet. We're gonna come down. We're gonna bring it down real quick. Boom. Sorry. All right. We'll bring that down for a second. So if you look closely to Taylor messed everything up for some reason. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna clear it up some, y'all. I want to get the dots off there right quick. Dots be all over the place. All right, if you look closely, you see other lines in there as well, like above the candle, like you see this white line right here, long white line right here. Come on, I understand. I know you want everybody to see you, but hold on, it's your turn. The alerts popping up like, ding, here we go. All right, so yeah, y'all see, and then you see a gold line up here. If I zoom in, you see more of dots, right? You see the dots right here and the white dots. Now, key thing of these dots right here, y'all. These dots are printed support and resistance. They do not lie. Whenever you see these printed out, the white is your support level. Whenever you see this, and as long as you see it printed out, the market is definitely reversing and going the opposite direction. So the white one is support, which means that this market is definitely going to continue buying up. Now the gold will be your resistance, which means that once this happens, the market is going to start pushing down. Okay, so these are key things that's going to be helping y'all understand when a reversal is coming, when the market is going the opposite direction, or how long you should be holding a buy or a sell, because you see these steady printing out. Beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Okay, support and resistance is key to trading, period, y'all. Those are key levels. The market can pass them, but to know that it's going to hold, you can know what these levels are and see how long the market is going to hold. Once the market passes up and close above them, that now become your support level. But on here, they won't print out like that, y'all. So once you see it crosses up, you know for sure it's truly going to that upside. Now, why it's right there, you know, I don't know, but it was strong. It had to be strong because, oh, okay, this is why I did it. So if you are hip to my supply and demand, y'all know I'm supply and demand, baby. I'm down. So it hit there one time, then it came back 2 times, which let us know there was a strong resistance level. And once it finally hit it for the 3rd time, no, the 4th time, it hit a 3rd time, bounced off of it, then the 4th time it cracked, it smashed right through. All right, that lets you know that it broke the resistance, and now it's truly buying, ready to go. Okay, so right here, once this happened, that's the high right there. That is our now resistant level. The market starts to push down. All right. Uncle Willie. Oh, Lord. Y'all, watch this. This is one of my masters of the SBA. This is one of my masters. Let's see what Uncle Willie got to say. What you got to say, Uncle Willie?
No, this is a good question. go to CAD Chefs right now.
All right. Yeah, sure. Right. Yeah, all right.
So you're on the 15-minute chart.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the true trend on that is a sell, right?
Mm-hmm.
From what you just taught. And now it shows the scissors, all the examples you just went over.
Mm-hmm.
So it still should be selling, right?
Right. It's a pullback though right now.
Right. Now, another question is this may be getting ahead of things, okay, for some people. Okay. Say like if there's a person that's they're not able to sit there and watch they trade, right? So say they put in a sale and they gotta go to work, go leave, whatever. For them to put their TP, will they look back at at the previous low to figure out that's maybe it may be going to first?
Yeah, that's possible. But like you said,
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
You know?
I get what you're saying. Yeah. And then they can look right here at the dots to see where they previous low at.
Previous support, yeah.
Right. Previous support. So that's a little bit advanced, you know, but I understand. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it too, for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, because like I said, if somebody's not able to sit there and watch the trade, they see because they're not able to see when that green arrow pop up. You know what I mean? So they say, well, let me get so many pips. I don't have to watch it. So yeah, okay, cool.
But also, I'll be teaching y'all, and for sure I'll teach y'all about pip goals, like 20 pips and 10 pips on however you want to move and stuff. So, you don't actually have to wait from green arrow to red arrow, which is good for a lot of people because you can put the trade in and just let it run, and then be moving your stop loss into your stop profit. So that's good. So right now, this is a strong sell. Market is pulling back. But what we'll wait on is the pink arrow to pop up to let us know if, let's say, if I'm just not getting on here, which I am, because Uncle Willie been on it, right? So I'm just not getting on here. So what I'll be waiting on right now, because I know it's a strong sell, that's a grade A sell, right? I'll be waiting on a grade B pink arrow, which is a sell, to get into this trade to know for sure that it's ready to start back pushing. You heard that, Uncle Willie? You got that? To let you know. So I'll wait on the pink one to pop up to let me know that, okay, continuation. And then I'll catch this trade with you. All right. And then Uncle Willie, you've been with me for a while. This the A, that's the B, this the C for me, and the D is down here. So you know. Everybody else, you understand that later. All right. So y'all see the support and resistance levels too? Okay. Support and resistance levels. Those what those dots represent. All right. Whenever this market breaks through, it really breaks through, it's gone. It's gone. And that will now become future resistance. All right. Now moving on to other things that's on here, y'all. Other things that's on here. All right. Let's talk about this right here, the ADR high and low. Now, the ADR high and low, it represents on how much a pair moves a day. This is the average daily range. Now, the crazy part on here, the value of this is 63 pips. Today's range, it only went 16 pips in the day's range so far since it opened. Now, it's open right here at 5 o'clock, so that's why it's right here, and it only moves 16 pips. But the average daily of it, you will see it up in here, which is 63 pips. So from here, it'll be up 63 pips from where it's currently at. Somewhere around there. It's 52 right here. So it usually move like 63. So 63 will be up here somewhere. And then right here where it's currently at as well, it's down right here. Boom. That's 59 pips. So it moved over 53. So it can move a little bit past it. So by you knowing how many pips this pair move a day, just by looking at the ADR volume, let me zoom in for the blind people in the back. All right. So you will understand this. This right here, up here. Zoom in a little bit more. Okay, no, that's too much zoom, but I think y'all should see now. All right, this right here, y'all. Little box that's gonna be right there. This is gonna tell you what's going on this pair, how many pips that you need to be looking for. The average of this pair to particularly move is going to be 63. That's the ADR value. Now, the ADR stands for average daily range. Okay. Now, reach. Where it say reach, it says no, which means it has not reached 63 pips yet on this particular pair. Okay. Now, today's range so far is 16 pips. The high is at 0.74. The low is at 0.7745 for 504. This right here, 4667 for the high. Now, it lets you know the target of the high. It lets you know that. It lets you know the low. It lets you know how many pips away from the high it is. It's 51 pips away from the high. And then it's 60 pips away from the low. Now, this right here is going to be key for y'all, right? Because by you knowing this, I would know that I'm closer to the high, so I'll be looking for a buy up on this right here. Okay, that's average, that's regular, Don't say go do it right now. All right, because the market, the true identity of the market is what? A sell. So we want to be going for that right now. It just moved 16 pips up. That's it. So I'll be looking for it to hit the low later on. But if it's 51 pips away from the high, I wait till it get like 40 pips somewhere up in there. Then I'll probably take that trade up to the high or 40 pips down to the low. Depends on how far I am in that. So if it's at 60 right here, I'll wait till we get 40% one way. 60%, 60-40. It got to be 60-40 one way. Then I'll for sure know I can take that trade to the ADR low or high. Now, this is going to be something good for y'all to understand right here, because this is going to give you a target. It's going to give you a target. All right. If I know I'm in a selling market, I know my target and my TP could be right here at this low. Now, I know it's going to hit either this up or down because it has to move 63 pip within this range in one day. Once it hit the average daily range, y'all, you will see these white dots decide to turn red. Once these turn red, that means that it has hit today. It's done. Do not go back in there. It's done. That can be a TP for you guys for a buy or a sell. So I think that's self-explanatory. Like I said, I keep dropping this on y'all so y'all can understand it. Also, this has been recorded. Keep watching it over and over and over so you can understand it. That's going to be key to y'all. Okay. Next, we have my GG trend bars, gang. All right, my gang trend bars. Y'all don't worry about it. Like I said, I was crazy. Had some growing up to do. So the GG trend bars, y'all, they let you know what's going on in each time frame, how the market is moving. So the gold represent buys, the black represent sells, and then the white represent neutral. Okay, so what it's telling me is majority of this market is buying up. Only on the hour and the 30 minutes the market is selling. All right, right now. So that's what's going on. So in this right here, in this sequel, so this is the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and month. That's what it stands for. Okay. What you want to is majority of them is lit up like this. You'll be in that trade for that right there. That's how it usually works. All right. If it's a selling market, you'll see all of them black like this right here. Buying market, you see gold. You want to see majority of them black to be able to get a good sell. Okay. That's how that works. Nothing else to that. Don't make it hard. Don't overcomplicate it. Now, y'all, let's get down here. Let's get down here to one of my favorite indicators that is on here, which is, let me bring this up right quick. Oh my God, why you don't want to work? Okay. And that's going to be the Sba Heartbeat. So y'all, this is the Sba Heartbeat right here. So you see how we got the holograms up in there, right? And then it goes up, come up, turn gold, go down. You know, everything is basically going to tell you basically what to do. So in this secret right here, as you see the market was going down up here, this stayed down. Excuse me. This stayed down below here, below this gold line. This gold line is going to represent to let you know when the market is turning around. It's going to let you know when the market oversold, or as long as this is below this market is selling. Once it come over this 50% line, turn white and then go gold and then go above here, that means the market is buying. As long as you see a straight line like this right here, y'all, this market don't continue buying. Whenever it goes down like this and come out of the black, this market is starting to sell. As you see, it came out of the black right here. It came out of the gold. The market began to start buying. So this is very simple. It's very simple, y'all. Don't make it hard. It's self-explanatory with this. And to know how long, if the market is truly selling or buying, this will be flat at the bottom. As long as that's straight like this, y'all, you stay in that trade. When it's turned up, that's when you looking to get out on the buy or sell. Okay. Do you get out every time it turns? No, you don't. No, you don't. Depending on what's going on in the market, you can kind of hold tight. All right. So we see right here how flat this is. We got a star bar arrow way down here, y'all. This is selling. That's selling. That's it. Long as you understand that, you on your way to success with trading. That's really it on that. Now, let me zoom in some, because I got some key things on there that can help y'all understand some things. Now, if you look closely, you see I wrote something up in there, right? I have close on exit on my -7, and what that black one and what's called, I can't get it to stop. I can't get it to stay. You know, let me be great. All right, there we go. I think that's too close. All right. So y'all see the black line right here, right? That means it's overbought. You should sell whenever the market crosses over the black. So when the gold start to turn down like this right here, y'all, over here, okay, and go below the black, that's when you get out of that buy, and you should be looking for the market to turn around and give you a good sell setup. Okay. Right here is the heart line. The heart line is my 50%, which let me know whenever it turns white and crosses over this line, that is the true identity of the trend. Whenever it does that, that means that the market is going to give you an alert. It's going to say heartbeat decreasing or heartbeat increasing. Heartbeat decreasing when it go below this, heartbeat increasing when it go above this. Okay, so that 50 line is going to be key to y'all, the heart line. And then close on exit down here. Whenever you see the black hologram of the Sba Heartbeat crosses up over the gold, I mean the market is changing direction. The sell is starting to pull back or starting to reverse. Okay, and you should be looking to get out of the trade, go the opposite direction. Trust me, as you continue to practice this, y'all, you're gonna start to get this. This is simple. This is simple right here. Very simple. All right. And those are basics of using the SBA now. Now, tying it in together to see what you need to happen in order for you to take a trade. Now, in order to start on this sell, y'all, you would have been waiting on this star bar arrow to hit, right? This combination right here, star bar arrow right here, to happen. You want the star and the bar and the arrow, all three of these to be popped up for you to take the trade. And at this time, you probably would have took the trade down here and you would have been in this trade. Now, to give you more confirmation, if you look at the bottom down here, right? You see the heartbeat decides to come down as well, and now we up in here pushing like this. So this come down at the same time you see a star bar arrow, take the trade. Don't ask no questions, take the trade. That's all you need to do. The system's solid, it's easy, it's simple. Keep it simple, y'all. Don't overcomplicate it. Star bar arrow, look down here at the Sba heartbeat to see where the heartbeat is located and where it's going, then take the trade. As long as they're down and pointing at the same direction, you're right in that trade. Okay. Okay. So basics of this. I'm gonna test some of y'all right now. I think our newest person to trading is Ebony. Ebony, come back up here for a second, talk to me. Because you are baby of the crew. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So Ebony, in this sequel, I'm just gonna pick a random chart. I want you to tell me, what are we doing on this chart right now? What do you see? What are we preparing to do? What kind of sequel you see that's happening right now? You see it?
Yes.
All right. So what you see? What we waiting on for you to say, hey, this is a buy?
There's
There's three things you need to see first. What is that?
my arrows.
Okay. So that's one part of it. That's one confirmation. What else you got?
The gold.
No, don't worry about the color. Don't worry about the color. Yeah, just where you see it. So right now it's not ready, but in this sequel, you gotta see a star, a bar like this right here, and an arrow. Okay. In the sales sequel, you need to see a star, bar, arrow. That's what SBA stands for, star, bar, arrow. All right, right here, star, bar, arrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, write that down. You need to see, that's your triple combination.
Yes.
Star,
All right.
bar, arrow.
Mhm.
Yep. And when you see that, then you take the trade. All right. And then also, hold on, it's really 4 to get a confirmation. So to let you know for sure, like right now, you see this is down right here, right? This is our heartbeat. So this is down. But we see a star, bar, and an arrow. So it's not ready yet. That's why you're going to see it keep flashing right here, because we got black candles right here, right? It's not ready yet. Once this turn up, because we know it's coming, because we got a star, bar, arrow, right? Once this turn up and go up past here, that's when we get into our buy. Do y'all see the power of this, y'all? Yeah, let me know. Let me know. And y'all can unmute now. Don't worry, y'all can unmute. If you see the power of this, can you see the power of what this can bring to you? Do you understand this?
Monies.
Everybody.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, Taz, I have a quick question. So I do see where I've been messing up at with the heartbeat. So I placed the trade that was this
cash switch, right?
GBP Swiss.
Okay, do me a favor. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at it right now. And then
but I see the error now.
Yeah.
That I'm on the call.
Share your screen right quick for me.
I'm on my phone.
Oh, okay. So
I can jump on the computer real quick.
You know, that would be nice.
Okay, well,
you know, when you come to my classes, always come on the computer.
Well, you know, I was a little tardy for the party. I had to get on from my phone to make sure I was present.
The excuses. So yeah, we on this chart right now too. So yeah, you got in too fast. We got a star bar arrow, but down here is not giving us the right gesture right now. But we know the buy is coming. So all you do is hold on to it right now. You hold on to it right now. That's it. Yeah, on the 1 hour is definitely a star bar arrow. This is definitely a pullback. We got a pink arrow right here. So we know it's a pullback. So yeah, you just waiting right now. You're just waiting right now. Put your stop loss behind here. Oh yeah, let me tell y'all about this, y'all. So when you enter a trade, when you enter the trade, right? So let's say you did get in right here, right? So you should be a little negative right now. All right, you get in on your computer, so you'll be able to share your screen. I'm excited about launching this with y'all. And the fact that Tradeology understand that I want to push this through y'all first and put this in y'all hands, so get my team to really trade and stuff and making money, and then I'll bring it out to the company. So they're gonna at least it take 2 months for them to put it on. So we got 2 months to go with this and push heavy to get people to join you, because it's the only way they can get this exclusive. All right, let's see what you got. So yeah, you in the buy right now, which is still a good little shape. So you just waiting. That's it. And you got it a little too early. That's all.
But I did that on another pair too. The GR, I don't forgot what the error was on that one, but I just been letting it ride.
Yeah, right now everything's selling. Then it ain't the time to be trading right now anyway.
Yeah, and yeah, bro.
Oh, I've been in GR since Friday. I probably just exit out of it down there.
Just wait on it. Put your stop loss behind it though. Put your stop loss behind them them white dots down there. Where is that? Yeah, right there. Put your stop loss down there. If the market go past there, it's gone. It's done. But you got double arrows.
But listen, I don't. How you know what was my entry line? Is this my entry line because it's green? Yeah, I see it now. Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
I'm just not seeing it.
If you look all the way to the left, you can see it all the way over there. It says buy 0.03.
Yeah, I just noticed that. Thank you.
Yeah, you look all the way to the left. Yeah.
And what up, Ron?
So drop it right here underneath these lines.
Yeah, a little bit behind it.
Yeah, look at them Christmas colors. Look at them Christmas colors.
What you been adding in, Ron?
Right.
Huh?
What you were finna say to the people?
Well, what I was saying, I was talking to you because I know there's a few people that might not know what I'm saying, but I was like, we in the B area and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you can go. You keep sharing your screen. I was just looking at your screen and whatnot. If you want to talk Fibonacci and whatnot, we in that B area and whatnot, just hovering, because those two arrows are showing us that is giving us double confirmation. So they're just pulling back and trying to scare a few people that got in right at that top area right there where you got in right there. That's all they're trying to do, is just scare a few people and pull back, But like he said, if it go past that, it's gone, because those dots right there, those are absolute. So that resistance right there, yeah, that's absolute. And the more dots that you see, the more absolute that area becomes. And another word for absolute is the more confirmations that area is strong with oh, my bad, I said resistance, bro. Support. I'm sorry. Yeah, my bad. I apologize. Support. My bad. Support. That's what I mean. So yeah, your stop loss is in the right area, and if it hits that stop loss, then
wait on it. It'll come.
She's in the A buy, so she should be all right, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And she has a good lot size too. So we go into risk management a lot, but that's a good risk management on your account and whatnot. I'm not in your business, but it is on the screen. That's a good lot size to just to be comfortable with. And you'd be surprised. I've been in aspects like this all the time where I get pulled back and maybe 20, 30 pips or something like that. And it'll go probably right by your stop loss. And then you'd be amazed. You wake up in the morning and it pull right past it and go right up to that ADR high, which is at 1.23130. It's an amazing feature. It's amazing when it does that. Like I've seen it happen plenty of times. I'm telling you, my back been against the wall plenty times in this market to where I'm like, oh my God, like, you know, and a lot of it was due to over leveraging, of course. But once you get that aspect in and you get, you pretty much got it. And when I look right to the left, I seen, oh yeah, 0.03. Okay, you practicing risk management, even though you're in another trade that's down too. But like I said, as far as this one,
let me see that pound Australia. What you got going on?
Yeah, look at that one too,
Click
because
on.
all these pairs move differently regardless of if you see G odd moving up, G chef could be moving down just off of something that happened that we're
See,
not
I got
privy.
in GI last Friday, and I just, I mean, I still been
Why?
in it because I got in off of, I think I got in off of this double green
It wasn't
arrow.
off that. That's today. It wasn't off that.
Oh,
You said
Okay,
Friday.
well, I don't know.
oh, you
I
got in
don't
over
know
I
either
go
what
back
you
to
been on.
Friday.
You got in over. That's Friday over there to the left. Over
Yeah,
there.
that's Friday over there. So what you were thinking?
What Friday?
Yeah, but no, but hey, look, you know what? We've all been there, and that's why we can kind of chuckle to it. We laughing with you because we've been there in aspects where we like, hey man, that look like a buy, and it's not a buy.
press control Y on your press control Y right quick. All right.
Oh,
So
what's that?
that's your day separators. Your day separator lets you know the
Okay.
days. All right.
Check it out.
So yeah, that was Friday over there with
So
a
this was
blue,
Friday right
where
here.
the blue and the pink was at. Yeah. So you
Okay.
probably took it when it was a blue arrow hit. That's where you probably took it at, which you're not
And I
supposed
was
to
in
do.
a down market, right?
Exactly.
So that was error number 2.
Yep. That's error number 2. You in a selling market. So
Yeah.
that's gonna be key to
I'm
pay
gonna
attention to. You're all right. You're right. It's coming back. It's down there letting you know double arrows going to the upside. So it's coming back. Gonna take a little while, but that's pound Australia. So most likely London session is when you're gonna see it start to come back up. But yeah, for now on, take your time. You one of my one-on-one students. Don't be practicing like this. You on demo?
I know.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm on demo.
Cool.
All right, cool. And also understand, guys, not to cut
I do
your
my
wisdom.
demo like it's my mirrored money though. So
right, yeah, treat it like that. And not to cut your wisdom off, Tazz. I'm just gonna chime in a little bit. Different pairs move in different waves, and what I mean by that is the pullback intensity on certain pairs might it range from medium to very serious. And G chef is a very heavy tugging pair when it comes to pulling against you. Now, when you're in the right position with G chef, it's going to pay. Tazz, if I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but G chef pays good on the it pays like Euro GBP, right? Because it's such a volatile pair, right?
It's $10.
It's $10, right? All right, cool.
Yeah,
So cool. It's not 7, it's not 8. So all right. So Euro GBP is what 13. So you get a pair like G Chef that's paying $10. That's a pip. You're getting all your money. So it's gonna be wide ranges of swings when it comes to swing trading. So you're gonna probably have to wait a little bit longer for G Chef to develop as opposed to, let's say, GJ or GCAT or something like that,
And for y'all that don't know, this is my brother right here. We started a Millionaire Mob. We've been trading together for 7 years. We started together along with I don't know if some of y'all know Oren, right? We all started together, and we just been rocking ever since. So the knowledge that I know, he knows as well. And man, you want to bring Skrilla Talk back Thursdays? Now is the time if you want to.
Yeah, man. You know it, man. I mean, I'm
Right.
willing, man. If you know, my view of the market is more on the psychological side, is you know, because I've been through a lot of things that brought me through a lot of emotional breakthroughs. You know what I'm saying? The market was more than just me making money, more than just me placing a buy or sell. It really did something to how I look at life and everything, as far as calculations, as far as risk management, which what I want to tell everybody on this webinar is one of the most tried and true things. No matter how much money I made, no matter how much money I lost, the one tried and true thing that kept me through is risk management. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, I have not been the best person to respect risk management at all. I abused risk management plenty of times. So when you come to Skrilla Talk, you're going to listen to a person that really got drugged through the mud, came out of the mud, and then got drugged right back through it because of forgetting that I should never be emotionally moved on any aspect of the market. When I lose, I should remain the same. When I win, I should remain the same. Because when you get too arrogant with your wins, the market is always going to humble you. But if you're not aggressive enough when you lose, you're never going to participate in the market effectively. And that's one thing my brother taught me about risk. He is one of the people that I look up to when it comes to being able to do the impossible when it comes to this. I've seen this with my own eyes. I've been in the same room when this has happened. So this is not me capping. I'm not, no kizzy, none of that. I've seen this happen with my own eyes. And I knew that in my heart, oh man, I don't have that risk appetite. So being next to him, I learned that risk appetite. You feel what I'm saying? So what I'm saying to you is a lot of people might not be ready for that type of, you know, risk appetite where you'll be down $10,000, but you come back and make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. I've seen that happen with this man. So I know the possibilities of this. You feel what I'm saying? And he's been creating these type of programs. I call them programs because even the way he packages them, if you remember how they used to sell old computer programs, that's how you used to get them. You used to get them in a little box and you take the little CD-ROM out, put it in the computer, wait for it to spin around, and boom, you know what I'm saying? Now he has a self-made system where all you got to do is click it. And as long as you got MetaTrader, any type of way or whatever broker you got, it's on your platform. That's amazing. That's progressive. You know, that's like the fourth industrial revolution, which I hope everybody knows that we are a part of. If you're on this webinar, you're actually literally a part of the fourth industrial revolution, because the knowledge that you're going to learn between Forex and the connects that we have on other aspects, you're going to be very early on knowing things that a lot of people are probably going to be dragging their foot on. And by the time that they get involved with it, you're already going to be knee deep in it. That's the beautiful thing about it. We done went through the wars. I done see my brother lose money, and I done seen my brother gain heavy money. He's seen me lose money. He's seen me gain money as well. So we know, and by knowing us and by accepting the knowledge that we have to offer, you're going to cut through that. I promise you, because we went through it. Plenty of nights, Tazz will tell you, plenty of nights we woke up and lost. And plenty of nights we woke up and we won. So it's all a balance. But we went through it, and that's why all these programs like I said, programs, as far as the SBA and anything that you see, that's very important to know that came through the struggle. And that is the reason why it's sufficient. I'm going to mute for a second, brother. Yep. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I hope I'm not too long-winded, but I just wanted to get that off my chest. My name is my boss, Ron Knight. And like he said, Skrilla Talk is something.
Where your face at, man? Nobody knows how you look.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. You know what I'm saying?
I'm ready. Let's get You said
You know
Squilla
what I'm
Talk.
saying?
Let's get it.
Yeah,
Out.
it's called Squilla Talk. Yeah, yep. Hey, you know, if anybody knows that meme, like, you know, with Kermit the Frog and whatnot, where he's in the other photo with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm on, you know, where he's like, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking to my inner self and whatnot. That's how I'm feeling right now when it comes to this market and what I'm talking to my inner self. I'm about to really get on it. You know what I'm saying? Really get on it and get with this SBA 6.0 and whatnot, because you know what I'm saying? I'm always excited when my brother drops something new and whatnot, because I'm the person that gets into the lab and I dissect it. You feel what I'm saying? So that's my position when it comes to when my brother creates the program. I get in there and I dissect it. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, y'all.
Y'all, I love creating. I like pushing myself to the impossible. You know, you wouldn't even know that a person like me could code a whole system. Get back here and create some stuff like this, you know. So I do feel as I'm a pioneer when it comes to this Forex market. I've been creating stuff for years. People have been taking stuff, you know, not giving me my props and, you know, just making way of it, you know. So now I'm bringing it to the table and, you know, just letting the world know who I am. That's why I came to Tradeology. People don't understand the vision that I have. I'm known as a visionary. So, you know, everybody don't have that vision, you know, in order to keep pushing to something. And, you know, you don't understand why, but I do. I understand why we're here and what can happen of this. So my goal is to change as many people's lives as possible this year. 1,000 is the goal. And you guys are the first people. Now, I'm telling you now, after the first, you're gonna see hundreds of people come in. My original Millionaire Mob is coming in. There's other camps that's coming in. We got Africa that's coming in. I got a huge team from Africa coming in. I have a team from Germany that's coming in. So it's finna get real. It's finna get real over here. And the crazy part is, all of them are waiting for me to bring back my systems. So that's what I'm known for. So I took a break off of it. I needed to mentally, because it can get draining dealing with people, and because I used to sell it. This time I'm not selling it. It's when they come in a certain packages, they get certain things. But also, y'all, let me break down this before I go. I gotta get on and do HFX training for Tradeology, which I don't feel like doing, by the way. Just letting y'all know, I just want to do this with y'all, and I want to get y'all right, man. That's important.
Wait, hold on. I see K Smith tried to get off the camera and whatnot. She had the hoodie on. What's going on now?
Hold on. Maybe we go ahead and go, Brody, because it's almost 9:30.
Oh, okay. All right, got you, bro. My bad.
All right, so I told y'all I'm gonna get the Shark Tank working, y'all. So now it's working. So I'll be issuing that out with Adr, and Adr will be able to help you guys get set up as well. I'm thinking about putting in the back office of our platform, because everybody that comes through there has to be active. If you are not active, I will be forced to short it off. Just letting you know. You know, we gotta play the game how I go. You gotta respect the business, y'all, and we gotta do things right. So make sure your membership is paid, because I will be going through it every single month. I will be going through it every single week, because people came in at different times, and I'm not holding no feelings towards it. You know, this is something that I work hard on, and I'm here. I'm here for y'all to make this happen. Like you said, we're gonna throw in Skrilla Talk on Thursday. So now you have both of us teaching you guys how to use this system, along with Adr doing Saturdays as well for basics stuff. He's gonna be teaching this system from now on as well. And then we're also gonna add somebody else gonna be teaching the system as well. This is gonna be it. This is what we're gonna teach. Now, this right here, it comes a part of the VIP level. So when you upgrade to the VIP package, you will get this as well. This is called the Millionaire Shark Tank, y'all. I will not and refuse to give this to Tradeology. This is being recorded, and I'm saying it loud. I'm not giving this to Tradeology.
Saying it loud and saying it clear.
So understand that you all people that is tied to me directly will have a big advantage, period. All right. This is a cheat code. This gonna let you know what pairs is hot and what pairs is not. Okay. Cheat code. So understand, VIP have a meaning now. You must upgrade to VIP to get this, or you will have the 5.0. I haven't showed y'all the 6.0 yet. That was the 5.0 I broke down on. So understand there's levels to this. I know how to move. I know how to build. I know how to get you guys moving and making money. I know how to get money. All right. Now check this out. Now, right here is 68%, right? And it's GBP. GBP is moving 68% right now. Now the Swiss is moving 72% right now. So you see, Candace, you see why it's a battle between Swiss and GBP right now, because both of them is the strongest in the market. So even though we have a star bar arrow, Swiss is still stronger than pound, even though it's pound strong as well. So it's not a balanced fight. It's consolidation right there. They battling right now.
So that would have been one we should have just held. I should have held off on if
Yeah,
I, had that knowledge.
Yeah, you would have waited on that one.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So, but one of them gotta lose. See, look, 70 now, and this is 69. They battling right now for position, and then the rest of them is just down. So when y'all see it like this, the gold up here block is when you start to want to buy. The black block is when you want to sell. Okay, and then up here when it turns green, that's the go. So right now, NAS 100 is booming right now on the buying side. So let's go to NAS 100. Right there, NAS 100 is buying right now. That's without looking for a star bar arrow or anything. Okay, so understand how powerful this is. Y'all see this, right? Y'all see my chart? Boom. Y'all see this? It's up. It's up there. It's a buying market. Star bar arrow. Boom. We had a pullback right here, heavy. Now it's pushing back up. The blue continuation is already up there. Boom. Once it break past this right here, it's gone. Bing bong. This system is crazy. And understand why it took me so long to get this right, because I have to lock it down and do stuff. So many people do things. Oh my God. You have no idea the stuff I've been through. Definitely create something that help people. All right. So this is going to tell you all the pairs. This down here will tell you everything. When it's red like this, it's a for sure sell. When you see it light up green, it's a for sure buy. So we will talk more on that. Also, I'm throwing this in on the VIP level is the dashboard. Now the dashboard is an absolute cheat code. It's like, if you just keep it on here all day, you're gonna make money. I'm sorry. And y'all, I really been fighting myself because I was gonna sell this for like an extra $50, maybe, because this is really cheating, just to be honest. But you get this with VIP also. And then you guys will have it first. Just let you know there is another price point that's coming. And only way they get this is they get that last price point, which give you guys an advantage as well when you're talking about pushing this towards people. Okay. So what I want right now to create them testimonies with you guys using this right here, this system, to be able to get in the market. Right now, it's a dead market. As you see on the Shark Tank, nothing is lit up. This don't even count. USD, Hong Kong dollar, that don't count. We don't do that. So ain't nothing lit up, y'all. Nothing's lit up. Look at this. The only thing going right now, everything is, nothing is lit up. So there's nothing in the market. You should not be trading in the market right now.
Nope.
Nothing going on. All right. So you want to go when the market's hot to make the money. So right now, that's why you see this. Whenever something is booming in the market, y'all, this is going to light up all buys, and you're going to have an arrow. And then what you're going to do is press this button right here, and they're going to take you to the chart, and then you take the trade. That's it. I ain't got to teach nothing else on that. That's it. That's how simple that is.
Piece of cake.
So understand why I said I want to sell that. I had to bite my, oh my God, I had to go against myself on this. I really want to see y'all win. And I want to show people made a big mistake by leaving Tradeology. Because now I'm in charge. Bing bong. Some of y'all catch on to what I just said later on. Checkmate. So
game over.
Now I know how to build a forex company, y'all. Hands down. You gotta have a product. I have products. This is not all I have. Trust me and believe me when I say that. This is not. You better ask Uncle Willie and Ron Knight and Sunita. Oh no, this not all I have.
Prophecy fulfilled, brother. That's all I have to say. I said
got
it in
toys
November. I said it in November.
Now I
I heard you when you said it, Ron.
Now I have a reason to bring something else out. When they bring up the adjustment to this comp plan, it's gonna be a new adjustment to the comp plan. Then also there's gonna be a new price point that comes, third level. All right. And for that third level, I'm gonna be able to add something else in there, and this is what it's gonna look like. Ooh, should I add this in there for y'all? No, y'all ain't ready for that.
I want it.
Nah, I'm good. I'll keep all right, I'm gonna hit y'all with this right here, y'all. This is a powerful tool as well. It's crazy. It's crazy. You can adjust the take profits and stuff like that up in there. Let's say if I want to go for 50 pips or something like that, y'all, I got a 20 pip stop loss or whatever, and I'm taking 4 positions. Now here go the crazy about this. This one right here, y'all, this is the Moss system. I didn't create this, but this can be a reason to get people to upgrade. If you want people to upgrade, it's like, what for? What I'm upgrading for, right? Well, you upgrade and get your hand on this and other things. All right, you guys will have the dashboard, but once that price point hit, other people have to upgrade to get the dashboard. That's fair. You guys got the cheat code, they don't. If they want the cheat code, they got to go in through you to get it, right?
Yep.
That's how you build. That's how you build. People want to get their hands on toys, tools that's going to help them win in this industry. That makes it almost damn near automated. That's what they want. So with this system right here, y'all, if I got a buy on here and I want to get in, what this? I ain't gonna be able to take that trade. I ain't able to touch that one. All right, so we got a sell right here, right? So what I'm gonna do is hit this button right here, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna put me in 4 trades at the same position if it's working properly.
That's a multiplier.
Yep.
Now this the multiplier.
Splendid.
So I'm gonna hit it. Boom, boom, boom. It put me in the same trade, same exact TP on the trade. This will triple, dipple your money.
And it sets your stop loss for you.
Set your stop loss and take profit.
Ooh.
All in one move.
All in one move. You talking about flipping your accounts? This is how I flip my accounts, y'all. You remember that day I showed y'all I took $100 to $1,800 in one day? This is how. Easy.
Wow, that's awesome.
Easy. Following a simple system. Now this is the 6.0. The 6.0 gonna look like this, y'all, and I'll break this down next Monday. I just want to break down how the SBA worked today. But next Monday, I'm gonna hit y'all with the 6.0. Ron, I gonna go a little bit over the SBA some this Thursday. You want to start next Thursday, bro?
Next Thursday. So I can I just want to get all the proper content prepared so people know that it's on the way. So just just give me that little grace period next Thursday. Yep.
All right, so next Thursday he gonna hit you with it. All right.
So y'all will see the advertisement in the room and whatnot too. Yep.
Yeah. So y'all, I just want everybody to lock in. This is where the real money started getting made at in our organization. Y'all have no idea how pissed I am of this organization. Not saying it's y'all fault, but I'm not used to this. I'm used to my whole squad making money. I'm used to my whole squad making daily posts and talking in the chat and showing up for classes. I'm not used to how this been going. I hate it. And just let you know. So I'm gonna do something about it. All right. And I'm bringing my tools back, and now y'all finna see it start getting backpacked and what I'm used to, what keep me going and what make me want to be here. All right, I'm just being 100 with y'all. So you got double confirmation on the SBA 6.0. So start by arrow, And then you see the MAs right here as well. You can take the trade off the MAs right there. They go below here. Now we got a good sell right here. We got this down here. We got volume down here. Guess what? You press this button over here. You got 4 trades in the same location. Look at them, all of them in profit right now. Let it get past that little spread, and then we lit. Normally, one trade, you'll be up $1. Right now, you will be up, like talking about it. Look at that, y'all. That's how powerful that tool is. Things gonna change after May, y'all. We gonna launch this thing after May. Y'all be able to get it after May. It's too dangerous to give it to you right now. I need you to get one thing at a time. But y'all, we got a product. I know for sure it's gonna help y'all win if you use it properly and wait on everything to line up. There's no way you can't. Unless you don't show up, don't use it, don't try. That's the way you can't win with this system. And it's exclusively for Mob on Fire only. Bing bong. All right, y'all. So I gotta get ready to go. I gotta do the HFX over here too. And you know, I'm double dipping right now. All right. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, indeedy. And when I get done with that, I gotta meet up with somebody and all sorts of stuff. I'm moving over here, y'all. So just let you know, y'all, I'm making